In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Claude AI. Archiving is a simple way to keep your workspace clean without deleting anything important. It moves older or inactive projects out of your active view so you can focus on what matters now, while still keeping everything safely stored for later reference. First, open Claude AI and sign into your account. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. A quick refresh can also help if the interface looks out of date or something you recently changed isn't showing up yet. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This is the central place where all your ongoing and past projects are listed. If you have a lot of projects, take a second to let the list load fully so you don't miss the one you're looking for. Next, locate the project you want to archive. You can scroll through the list, sort by recent activity, or use the search bar if it's available to quickly narrow things down. Double-check the project name and any brief description so you're archiving the right one, especially if you have similar titles. When you've found it, hover over or move your cursor to the project's row and look for the three-dot icon to the right of the name. This icon opens the options menu for that specific project. If you don't see it immediately, try widening your browser window or hovering a bit longer. On smaller screens, the menu can be tucked away until you interact with the row. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Archive. Archiving doesn't delete your work or remove access for teammates. It simply moves the project out of your active list. This helps reduce clutter and prevents accidental edits on something that's no longer in progress. You'll be asked to confirm the action. Take a quick moment to verify the project name in the confirmation prompt so you know you're archiving the correct one. When you confirm, the project is immediately moved to your archive projects and removed from the active project list. If it seems to disappear, that's expected. Archived items are purposely hidden from your main view. You can always revisit your archive section later if you need to review the content or update the project's status. And that's it. By opening Claude AI, heading to Projects, finding your target project, using the three-dot menu, selecting Archive, and confirming, you've kept your workspace organized without losing any valuable information.